Jeff, thanks for joining us.
Oh, great to see you.
Welcome to our new home, the new Komori Center of
It's been a while
Excellence.
since I've been here,
Yeah.
and it looks so much better.
Welcome. We're excited for our new home.
It looks absolutely
It
fabulous.
really does. We wanted to emulate what they did in Japan as far as the look of the branding. So we got as close as we could to the Scuba factory. Also KIE over in the Netherlands has the same facade looking. So we wanted to exude the same brand.
It looks
the
very
same
similar
image.
to the Scuba
Yeah,
plant.
yeah. Very nice. We'll have signage, I believe, on this side, and then we're going to have a signage out here too. So it's going to be the new Komori America Center of Excellence. This side will have the offset press. There's going to be double cabinets coming off the side. That's why we have to push it out this way a little bit further. So the press will start at about that beam right there and go all the way this way. It'll end right at that opening. Then on this end, MBO gear. And then in the middle, we'll have kiosks where you can put paper up on, like angled boards. Beside the offset and the MBO gear on this side, here's where our new J-Throne 29 will be.
New store.
The new star, the new star. Digital is growing, so we want to have the ability to do demonstrations, open houses, as well as sample production. So this is where we'll have that. So this is employee entrance. They're going to be seeing this. If we're going to have customers in, we're going to have the conference room. So if we're in there, employees are going to be walking back and forth. All right, so customer lounge, where the customers can enjoy themselves, grab a bite to eat, open houses, things of that nature. Will be here. We'll have our vintage Komori press that we had in the old building.
Sure.
Right here. So on this side, the idea behind renaming the building, the Komori Center of Excellence, is that we're going to be showcasing all of our products worldwide. So you've got offset, you've got inkjet, you've got MBO gear. On this side, we're going to have printed electronics. We'll have our Shambone line of products. We'll have our printed electronics Seria product as well, and then a currency kiosk to showcase what we do. So it's kind of to do all of our
The whole array
what
of
we do.
everything.
We print.
Yeah.
All we do is print, right? So
Here's a question for you.
yeah,
Ceiling's high enough. We're going to have a foiler on this press?
yes.
Really?
Nice open area where we'll have rollable sample bins, and then voila, this is our new space. I'll call it togetherness. Before we were separate, now we're going to be one. Employee
Service,
engagement,
parts, sales, admin,
all in one. IT,
finance.
yeah, everyone's going to be together. So just a better employee experience, better communication. I think is probably the key word to that. So yeah.